Hi guys, today I want to quickly show you my everyday simple makeup routine. I look so tired because I've been working overnight and I still need to currently shoot something. So let's just get to it. I already, used my primer. So I got this primer from just, a drugstore, and I just used it now. So I'm currently waiting for the primer to dry. And while it's doing that, I'm just going to do my brows. I don't do much for my brows. I just, brush it out with an air wax and just follow the lines. So I'll just do that and come back. So I just did my brows now, and I'm just going to go straight into concealing. Like I said, I'm not doing too much. It's just my everyday. I always use a concealer that is like just one shade lighter than I am, because I don't want to do too much. I don't want to do lots of blending. I'm just going to use my setting spray so that it melts properly in, and I'm going to use my beauty blender. Make sure that your beauty blender is like damp. Mine is like very, very damp. Not very damp, but like it's like damp. So I'm just going to do that. Wait for this to dry. Dab it in the same place. You don't need to drag. The setting spray has finally just set in, and I'm just going to do this. And then just to lighten it up a little bit, I'm just going to use a lighter shade of concealer, just like 2 shades lighter, just to brighten this side a little bit. Simple. So one hack that I learned is to use a pressed powder first under your eyelid before you go in with your setting powder. So I usually just use this Adventure. It's an Adventure pressed powder. It's almost done, and it's like a little bit lighter than I am. Just here, there was a hack I saw on TikTok. If you don't want, you don't want creases under your eye, you blend it out seamlessly and angle your brush here so you have that snatched look. You can see that snatched look here. Same thing here. I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Now we can now go in with our setting spray. Our press. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? This is the name. Setting powder. So you do it like this, and then you dust it out, dust the excess out. Oh, we don't want too much, and then you just do this. Always make sure you angle your brush. The under eye looks bright. Do this, dust the excess out, and then just do this. Now I know it looks like super bright. It's still going to calm down. So I usually always use like a liquid blush. This is from Huda Beauty. If you want to use a liquid brush, you use it after your second shade of concealer. But today I don't feel like using a liquid blush. So I'm going to be using a powdered blush. This powdered blush is from True Self. I'm just going to do this. I'm not really a fan of blush, so I always just take it under my eye because I like that bright light pink effect that it just gives.
Fall up inside you. Girls need love too, I know.
This is done drying. I'm just going to quickly contour my nose. I'm using this palette from ZKL Cosmetic. I'm done contouring my nose, and I'm just going to quickly do my lip combo. And it just brings out my eye, so I normally would go over it again with a brown pencil. Can you see how cleaner that looks now? So I usually use, you can now add lipstick if you want, or you can add a nude lipstick. I can't find mine, but because, like I said, I'm not doing too much, I'm just going to use my lip gloss. Can you see how that is? The final thing I do is just to add highlighter, just give it a little bit of so I'm still going to be using this palette from ZKL because it has highlighter, contour, and bronzer. Yeah, so I'm just going to be using a little bit of bronzer, just give it that shine. And this bronzer is like so good, like literally my favorite. You don't need to do too much. Can you see that glow already? And then the final step is a powder. So you're just going to use it for all your face. So this is a powder that is my shade. I'm just going to do this. And the final step is the setting spray again. Now we wait for it to dry. My face is all dried up. This is my everyday routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're going to try it, let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.